2025. I'm over at one of my favorite booths, Franklin Armory. It's way windy. It's really cold, but
we're still having
got some cool stuff here.
Yeah.
So,
well, binary is great because you're putting 2 into the wind, so that's all good.
Right. Double the fun, right?
Absolutely. So we got right here our brand new binary firing system for the FN SCAR, right? Works in the 15, 16, 17s, even 20. Think you're going to give the 17 chamber and the 308 a little run, right?
All right. I don't mind that at all.
All right, sounds good. So here we go. I'm going to get
Yeah, bring it in.
So now you have fired a binary before, right?
Correct.
Okay, so as soon as it's in binary mode, it will fire on both the pull and release.
Right.
You'll have 10 rounds. My recommendation is to go, I think there's so you pull and then release and then go ahead and try double tap them. Real quick double tap would be the best
So
option.
slow first ones and then...
Yep. If you want to come around that side, get a really good shot of it.
And something that everybody wants to do. Oh, that's right. That's a lot of fun.
Gotta get you back on it.
That is a lot of fun.
So what do you think?
Okay, so anybody that has a SCAR, that's the way to make your SCAR way better.
Absolutely, Matt. The pull, release,
Right.
nice double taps, nice quick follow-up shots.
And it's a 308, so there's a little bit more time you've got to give it. I noticed that. It seems more controllable with it being a little bit slower with that 308 action.
Yeah, you definitely won't be able to run as fast like the MP5 triggers, things like that, but nice good cadence running on the SCAR triggers now.
Awesome. Ooh. That makes the SCAR trigger feel good.